All right, y'all, so UPS just showed up today, and you know, I looked at these Bedrug mats and I really like the Bedrug, the full fitted unit, but of course I've got fifth wheel prep, so that doesn't work. You know, maybe you can cut holes in it, I don't know. But I looked at it, and Bedrug offers this mat, and one of the things that, you know, I've had bed covers on my truck, and you know, they're pretty sealed up, but every once in a while you'll get a little bit of water around the tailgate and it'll get in these ridges. You know, if you got suitcase or anything that needs to be dry in the back, just something to kind of elevate that up. And so I looked at this Bedrug mat, this one right here. There's the part number on it for the Ram. You can see if you have a spray-in bed liner, this is the one that goes on top of that. These mats look like really good quality. I mean, they've got the ridges in them to follow like the bed, and you know, if it's going to keep it elevated a little bit, and these are non-absorbent, and anyway, it's just going to help keep things drier. And I don't plan on running it in this truck, but I do plan on putting it in my 25, and I'm going to put the Retrax bed cover on the 25. So I'm going to open this up today. I just want to kind of show y'all what kind of quality it is. I purchased it on my own. I guess these things are like under 200 bucks. So, you know, for what it is. And then if I'm going to pull my fifth wheel, I'll just pull it out. And it's just a nice mat that goes in over the bed liner. So let me get this opened up and we'll get it rolled in here. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, y'all, just got this installed. Very easy to put in. You know, if you order the one that's the Bedrug kit, you don't have to order the Velcro stuff. It's in there. You know, if you put the bed liner, it's got an adhesive promoter and 2 Velcro strips. It's got 2 little seams in the center. So if I wasn't running a bed cover, you know, to get it to stick down so I don't have to worry about it blowing out. But overall, for what this is, I really kind of wondered for the price point on it if it was going to be a good quality mat. But if you look under here, I mean, you can see it lays in there very nice. It's a nice fit, doesn't absorb anything, and so, you know, fluid water is just going to go right through it. So it's going to keep your stuff elevated and dry if you've got a suitcase back here or something with a bed cover. So anyway, I think it's worth it. You know, whether you drive Ford, GM, Ram, you know, I'm going to start adding this to my list on my builds just because I really like it. So anyway, if the video helped you, please hit that like and subscribe. That's the Bedrug mat for the Ram truck. It's just the mat. They make a whole cover if you want that, but like I said, I've got fifth wheel prep. So, and if you need to remove this, it's super light, so I can just pull this out, leave this here at the house. I'm going to pull my trailer or something like that. So anyway, video helped you, please hit that like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.